Seth Price again with another reloading video. I got a bunch of 223 brass, they're nice and clean, except that sometimes you get just junk stuck in where the primer needs to be. And a lot of people don't worry about it too much, but the next step for this is going to be to shove the primer in here, which is a little pressure sensitive explosive. So I tend to not like to have stuff in there when I'm trying to force that in. So I make this tool. I think this is another Lyman tool here. And it's got all sorts of different attachments. But the two I've got on here now are a large primer pocket cleaner and a small primer pocket cleaner. And I actually did that backwards, but that's okay. Anyway, all you do, take this, twist it in there, and it cleans it out. And you can't see that it's cleaned out, and my hands are filthy, but it is cleaned out now. So, just one way to help seat the primer. And thank you for watching.